This is a Korean rice water toner that gave me glass skin. I used to think rice water toner was just another DIY skincare trend until I learned why Asian women have been using it for generations. To get glass skin, youthful bouncy skin, reverse aging, age back water, and for safe skin whitening. Today I will show you how to make rice water toner for face, how to apply rice water on face correctly, and a simple mistake that stops most people from getting glowing even skin tone. Because you see a lot of people use it. Some people are getting glass skin from it and other people are saying it's not working, they're not seeing the difference. Today I will explain all of that to you and you know how to use it correctly to achieve a glass skin. Everyone is talking about rice water, but does it really work or is it just another internet trend? For centuries, rice has been used in Asian skincare routines because it contains ferulic acid, vitamins, amino acid, allantoin, and compounds that leave your skin feeling brighter and smoother. Let's talk a little bit on ferulic acid and why it works. Ferulic acid acts as a localized shield, soaking up unstable molecules caused by environmental stressors before they can break down your skin vital collagen and elastin. It also doubles the efficacy and stabilizes unstable vitamin C and E. Then, allantoin speeds up cellular regeneration, meaning it accelerates the growth of healthy new skin cells. And that explains why whenever you use allantoin, acne scars and sun damage heals faster. Then, amino acids are the building blocks of proteins like collagen and elastin. Specifically, amino acids like proline and glycine actively signal skin cells to synthesize new proteins, visibly smoothing fine lines and improving bounce, which means for you who want a firmer, youthful skin, you need it. All of this inside rice water, which explains why it works. It's not magic, it's science. Welcome to Etta Beauty. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. The first step in making the rice water toner is measuring the rice and washing out the surface starch. The kind of bouncy, youthful skin this rice water toner will give to you. I'm talking about reverse aging and aging backward. If you want an effective rice water toner, you need to wash out that surface starch, so don't skip this part. So after washing it, I'm going to throw out that water. Now I'll wash it for the second time because you need to wash it for 2 times at least to get to the real stuff. So now I'm done washing it for the second time. I'll throw away the water and now I brought in another bowl. In there I'm going to put in the washed rice. Please make sure to get a bowl that has a lid. So after putting in the washed rice, I'll put in distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, use ordinary water. Make sure the rice is submerged in the water. When I say ordinary water, I'm talking about your drinking water, not tap water. 15 hours later, our rice water is ready. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Oh, look at how it looks like. It looks cooked, but it was not cooked. Time to filter. I'll go ahead and filter it into another bowl. And there we have it, a beautiful rice water that is packed with amino acid, vitamins, allantoin, ferulic acid. This will give you glass skin and improve the appearance of your hyperpigmentation. This will also give you that bouncy, youthful skin. Now, I turned that into a spray container, which is where I love to store it. Because everyone might not have preservative, I decided not to use preservative. So you store this in your fridge. Remember, I still have to tell you the mistake that makes your rice water not to work. So stick around and find out. So this is our beautiful rice water toner. Personally, I always love it in a spray bottle like this. But if you don't have a spray bottle like this, what you should do is put it in a cotton pad and wipe all over your face with it. Make sure your cotton pad is very wet with the rice water before you put it all over your face. And here is how to apply rice water on face. Be generous with it. It's yours, okay? Now, when you spray it, immediately after you sprayed the whole rice water, you go in with your face serum. At this time, I am going in with hyaluronic acid. I always tell you not to carry your dropper into your face, so we are going to use our hyaluronic acid like this. And don't forget your neck when you are applying all of these things. Your neck and your face should get the exact same type of skincare routine. Now allow your face to absorb, the serum that you just applied on your face before you go in with your moisturizer. So my face has already gotten the serum and now we're gonna go in with the moisturizer and just going to, all of that is paparazzi. Don't always forget your neck. Yeah. Exactly. Mhm. Now, these are the mistakes I talked about earlier. Why rice water does not work for a lot of people. Do not cook rice water before using. Now, you might ask me, what do you mean? Does it mean cooked rice does not have most of the things you're mentioning. It does, but the potency will not be the same with uncooked one. It cannot be the same. Think about it. Something you've cooked and something you've not cooked. The potency cannot be the same. So does it mean it will not work when you use it when you cook it? It will work, but it's slower than when you did not cook it. Because at the end of the day, if you don't cook it, you've preserved a lot of nutrients. Have I cooked the rice before I use it? Yes. Till now, I still do it. When I want to do like the rice face mask, I cook it before because then you need it to, stick on your skin. But I tell you the truth, it doesn't work like the one that was not cooked. So at the end of the day, you're doing more work and you're not getting more result than this one where you do less work and you get more results. That's just what it is. The second mistake is do not store homemade rice water toner at room temperature without using a broad spectrum preservative. Some people do the rice water and they keep it at room temperature and they are using it. Where you need to store it, especially if you don't have like a broad spectrum preservative, put it in your fridge so it remains fresh and you're allowed to just use it for 7 days. After 7 days, you throw it and make a new one. How long does it take to make rice water? Just wash and soak and your rice water is ready. Remember, I'm a skincare formulator. I intentionally did not put preservative. I have my broad spectrum Optifem Plus, Liquid Jammer Plus. I have them here. I just did not put it because I know everybody does not have preservative, broad spectrum preservative. I did not put it for you to know that you can also do your rice water without putting your broad spectrum preservative, but then you have to store it in the fridge for 7 days. After 7 days, throw it away and make another batch. The third one is don't expect overnight result without being consistent. Consistency wins. Now, if you want the complete routine, rice water toner, rice water serum, rice moisturizer, rice cream, you are going to love my next video, which will be dropping in 3 days. I hope so, but it's going to be my next video. You will love that video because that one comes with a complete rice water skincare routine. Like you have the rice water toner, you have the rice serum, and you have the rice cream, rice moisturizer. It comes complete. And then it also comes with how to use it. Also, I have other rice video. I have a rice water toner video. I have a rice moisturizer video, but that one is advanced. It's not for beginners, except you know how to formulate skincare. But if you don't know how to formulate skincare and you want to learn, you can go there and learn. It teaches you everything, but it's for people who want to formulate their own face cream by themselves. I also have that on this channel. You can check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.